Hello, this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today a 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn. This vehicle features a 5.7-liter V8 gasoline engine with four-wheel drive. There have been no accidents or damages reported to CARFAX. This vehicle has had regular oil changes and it has had two previous owners, both here in the state of Pennsylvania. As we get closer here to the front of this full-size crew pickup, you'll be able to see that it is a sleek metallic granite crystal clear coat with chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille, as well as down around those fog lights. Those fog lights will help you out in inclement weather, and speaking of inclement weather, we'll come along here to the side to take a look at this pickup's tires and wheels. This vehicle features chrome 20-inch wheels, and as for the tire treads, you have got a good amount of life left in them, but I'll get you those exact measurements here in just a second, as this vehicle, along with all the other vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection, as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter. So you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. Behind all of those wheels, you do have small mudguards, which will help to prevent not only mud from flinging up on the vehicle, but from anything that might chip away at the paint like gravel or stone chips. And on the outside of your mirror caps, you do have your turn signal indicators integrated into those. And on the insides, you'll be able to see that these mirrors are heated, which will help to prevent them from fogging up, as well as to help de-ice them in inclement weather. We'll now take a look here to the inside of this pickup. Here on the inside of this vehicle, you do have a lovely smooth diesel gray cloth upholstery on these seats for a nice comfortable ride. And like I had mentioned earlier, you do have those chrome and black accents making the way up the dashboard. While we're looking over here, I'll just open up the glove box and bring you the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. And as you'll be able to see here in this inspection sheet, you do have green checks the entire way around, and as for your tire treads, you have 7/30 seconds in both your front tires and 6/30 seconds in both your rear tires. And as for your brake pads, you have 10/30 seconds in the front and 15/30 seconds in the rear. So you have a good ways to go before you need to replace any of those wearables. I'd also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get the original owner's manual with it as well, so if you have any questions after you buy it, you'll be able to look them up in there. We'll now continue around to take a look here at the rear occupant seating. As you'll be able to see, this vehicle does seat a total of 5 people, but if you seat 4 or less, this middle seat does fold down to become an additional armrest with 2 cup holders in. You also have more cup holders back here for these rear occupants, a small storage space here, 2 USB and USB-C charging ports, an AC power outlet for those laptops, pockets on the backs of both of those front seats, and down on the floor you do have carpeted floor mats to help keep your floors nice and clean. To the left and right side of this rear area on the floor, you also have Ram bins for anything you might want to store inside of there. Over here on the door, all of the doors do have several storage spaces in them, as well as powered windows. I'll just close that door and we'll continue around to take a look here at the rear of this pickup. As you may have already noticed as we're making our way back, this vehicle does come with a pre-installed tow bar, as well as a 4- and 7-pin trailer connector for a trailer hitch hookup, so you don't need to worry about any adapters with this pickup. And right behind all of that, you do have a spare tire if you're ever in a pinch. You also have a backup camera to help you whenever you're parking and going in reverse, as well as rear proximity sensors. That's what those little dots are. They will let you know if there's anything behind you whenever you're backing up or parking, and you also have them in the front as well. I will just open up the tailgate, and as you'll be able to see, it does go down by itself without slamming, as this pickup does have tailgate assist. Alright, as you'll be able to see back here, this full-size pickup does have a bed that's a little over 6 feet, so you've got plenty of space to haul some really nice loads. It also has a spray-in bedliner to help protect the bed against any nicks or scratches the loads you put in here might give it. I will just close that tailgate back up, and we'll continue around here to the driver's side. I would like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys for your convenience, and both of them do come with remote start as well. This pickup has powered mirrors, powered windows, and powered door locks, and as for the driver's seat, you do have 10-way powered seating adjustments, meaning you can move the seat forwards, backwards, up, down, tilting the seat forward and back, and then 4-directional lumbar support. You also have a telescopic steering wheel, meaning you can move it in and out as well as up and down to fit you as you like. And to the left of that steering wheel is just your dashboard backlight controls, headlight controls, parking brake, and then those foot pedals are adjustable as well. I'll now just get inside this pickup and turn it on for you. This vehicle is a push to start. that the engine is running and the dashboard's lit up, you'll be able to see that this vehicle has about 46,816 miles on it. We'll take our attention over here to the left side of the steering wheel, as over here are your dashboard navigation buttons. So with these you can cycle through all the different information and services this vehicle provides to you. To the right of those dashboard navigation buttons, you do have your Bluetooth and call controls, as this vehicle does have smartphone integration. And then on the right side of the steering wheel are your cruise controls. We'll now take a look here to the center of this vehicle. Here in the center of the vehicle, you do have a lovely touchscreen, LCD display, and I'll just throw it in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. It is also a wide angle lens, so you can see right up close to that bumper. But above that display, you do have a small space as well as a power outlet. And beneath it, you do have your climate controls, and the front driver's seat and the front passenger seat are both heated to help keep you comfortable in the winter, and you also have a heated steering wheel as well. A bit farther down, you'll be able to see that this pickup does come with an integrated trailer braking controller, your tow haul mode switch, your electronic stability control toggle, which does help to prevent skidding and sliding. To the left is your electronic gear shift as well as your four-wheel drive shift. Underneath those controls, you do have a small space for something like your phone, 2 USB and USB-C charging ports and an aux cord plug-in, 2 cup holders, and then this tray does slide forwards and backwards, so you can access a very larger space underneath it. And then behind all of that, you do have your main storage compartment with another USB charging port inside. Lastly, we will take a look up, as this vehicle does have a built-in garage door opener, as well as a power sliding rear window to really enjoy those sunny summer days. We'll now move on to the last section of this video. Here in the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so we'll be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, and we want the purchasing process to be transparent and straightforward. We want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections and all. So as I'm looking around the inside of this pickup, nothing is standing out to me. There are no odors or scents whatsoever. So we'll take a look here now at the outside of it. We'll start by coming along here to the front. And here along the front of the pickup, you do have a few small nicks, most likely from stone chips. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent it is just by not driving your vehicle. This pickup does have comparatively very few from what I usually see on pickups that come through our dealership. And we'll come along here now to the passenger side. A very small nick right there. This vehicle is a darker color, so it does tend to hide it a little more than a lighter color might. We'll come along here now to the rear. Now often on pickups, where I do tend to see several imperfections is on the top of the tailgate, as people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. And as I take a look here, you do have some faint wear on the top of that, discoloration there, as well as some faint wear there in the bed. And I'll just close that tailgate back up. And we'll continue back around here to the driver's side. This paint does seem to be in good condition overall. And we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a gray full-size crew pickup with the ability to seat 5, a good amount of space in the bed with a spray-in bed liner, tailgate assist, a backup camera, a pre-installed tow bar, a spare tire, heated mirrors, a power sliding rear window, 2 keys with remote start, cloth upholstery, smartphone integration, a built-in garage door opener, front and rear proximity sensors, fog lights, heated front seats with a heated steering wheel, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this crew pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day!